Okay YouTube, this is my first video and I thought I would do EDC Pocket Dump. So I'm going to start with my keys, which, as well as having regular keys, got this little true utility key tool, bottle opener, screwdriver, cutter, etc, etc. And a key that isn't a key, it's got a little blade on it. I also carry this little set with me, little Swiss Army knife, medication, Gerber shard, teeny little torch, CRKT cutter, as I work with rope quite a lot, so that's a quick way of cutting it. Little Gerber multi-tool, and there's a little tritium vial on there as well in case I drop it somewhere in the dark. And my wallet, what have I got in my wallet? Most of the interesting bits are in here. This is a little emergency lock picking set, which I got for Christmas. Remember kids, picking locks is perfectly legal if it's yours or you have the permission of the owner. And this is in case I or a friend of mine gets locked out of their house or something, and it's something I quite like messing around with just as a sport, so I know how to use it as well. Another Christmas present is this little wallet survival tool. Is that steel or aluminium? I think that's aluminium. Various little slight bits and bobs that live in there. This is a cool little thing. This is a knife, which, turn that, flip that over, that goes that way, that goes that way. Boom, another emergency knife. Folds flat again. And I'm sure you've all seen one of these. And that all lives in my wallet. The rest of my wallet is just credit cards and what have you. And my jacket, this is my fleece. For example, I've got a little compass on one of the zippers. There's a couple of these teeny little torches on here. Also got in one pocket quite a powerful little, there we go, little flashlight. That runs off 18650 batteries, so it's really quite powerful. Over on this side is a little lighter that does work, and another little multi-tool kind of thing. I've got the same stuff again in my down jacket, plus I've also got a pair of woolly gloves and a woolly hat that live in there, because that's what I take out if it's a bit cold. And that is what I'm carrying every day in my pockets. Thank you.